DJ.
Huh?
Why your booty gotta be on my head? Alright, so we finally got our Tuut in the mail. What is that, Dada?
Two.
So, if you have clicked on this video, it's because you also have a toddler and you need to childproof your home. We just moved into a brand new place and I need to childproof my doors. You do not need nothing to drink, sweetheart. You can see right here is our front door. All you have to do is that and it automatically unlocks. Super convenient for me and also super not convenient for me because now I'm worried all day, every day. That's why I bought this. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this Tuut. Take off my lashes. Alright, so straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. You turn all around. Turn this. So these are the instructions.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Are you gonna come bring the camera now or what?
You're fired!
Let me.
Oh, okay, I gotta move you to the right.
Number one.
Okay, come on to the right.
The one. Yeah.
This. And I just put that. Oh, I hope that still works. Yep. That is very tight.
Take a car. You show up.
Very tight and sturdy. Open the door.
Okay.
Let's baby proof this thing.
Oh.
It's unlocked and you still can't open it. You can't open it?
No, you.
What happened? Why you can't open it?
Yeah.
It's locked?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So it works?
No.
Look at that. All right, perfect. Mission accomplished. All right, let's go. So that's what it looks like from afar. It doesn't really affect your door too much. I've already looked up, ways of how to basically remove this without damaging the paint or the door. That's on there. As you can see, my toddler can open a door. So I would say it's approved. If you have a busy one, go ahead, because he didn't even try to figure out how to dismantle it, which I'm very shocked, because usually he wants to figure it out. So, oh, let me show you what I got coming next. Okay. So the next video, I'm going to show y'all my sliding door. This is the patio right here. So the next video, I'm going to show y'all the sliding door lock that I have for right here. Oh, I forgot. I still got the camera zoomed in. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all right here. That, and then I also got a balcony right here that I'm gonna show y'all. I got some other locks. Matter of fact, since I have y'all, look, here go the other one. Actually on that door, I'm gonna put the other lock that I just put on my front door. I'm gonna put on this back door. Matter of fact, y'all wanna see me do that one? Let's do that one right now too. Why not? Hey, get out of that water. Why do you have to pour so much?
Okay. Hi, Grandma.
The other, yeah, I see you got 3 straws, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so let me just show y'all how dangerous this is, okay? This is the back patio. Well, my bedroom patio. No, excuse me. So, there's a patio right there in my room, right? So, now you can see why I have to get another one of these. So, let's see. Now, see, this one doesn't have the other piece to it that stops this from sliding on. Excuse me, DJ. And so this one just slides right on here. So, but it's also, see right here, see this right here, it cuts it off. Because this piece right here has like a little dent in it, this can only slide over so much. Okay, this can only slide over so much. So as you can see, this right here, this part basically wouldn't have anything to stick onto. So I would have to hope that this part right here is enough and is strong enough to hold this by itself. Because I don't see another way of doing it. Do y'all? I don't see another way of doing it. Alright, so let me test this out. Okay, I tested it by sliding those, pushing those down and sliding those over to the left. Alright, so I turned off the lighting on my phone. So, this one is applied. And like I said, okay, so let me push down. And this one push. There we go. So now they're both here. So see, it's locked, it's unlocked. Alright, now push in, and I can open it. Y'all, it's hard doing this in one hand. I need my tripod. Alright, there we go. So now I don't have to worry about my sink. Try that again. Unlocked. See, it can't go out all the way to open. Can't take it. It's stuck. So just this one side alone is strong enough. So there you have it. My room balcony and my front door, baby proof. DJ cannot leave up out of here. Oh, you want to try this one? Test it out. See, he came here, he unlocked it. You can't open it?
You.
Oh, you need help?
Yeah.
So I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below. If you would like me to try anything else, baby proofing or anything else other than baby proofing, just let me know and I will do that for you, okay? So thank you. I'm so happy. I ain't gotta worry about my baby trying to walk out the house. Hey, hey.